This is the CollaClot Instructor Pack. This pack is designed to give first aid instructors the basic things they need to talk about CollaClot in their lessons. So what you have is, to start with, there's some leaflets there on CollaClot itself, so you know a little bit more about the product and how to use it. CollaClot's on all of our PowerPoints and also on the videos, so you've got videos you can use as well. You also get two packs here. These are actual products, they're not just samples, these are products. The small size and the larger size, which are very good that you can show them in the lesson. If you need to use them for real, use them because they're just a real product. They're good for 5 years from date of manufacture of packaging. So these will last you a long, long time. But also in this pack, you get a sample of CollaClot as well. You can use in the lesson to show people what it physically looks like. This means you don't have to open up these packs, and it's a free sample with this pack, and now Pet First Aid Guidance leaflet. So this kit itself will give you all you need to then start adding CollaClot into your lessons. Also in the pack is information if you want to start selling this onto your customers, and we send you all the trade prices, bits and pieces. And we have a special offer price on this on the website, so it just gives you a good starting block to have this equipment, because we want you actually showing this, because this is an absolutely amazing product that will save pets' lives, and not only the catastrophic injuries but also stop bleeding on the very small ones. Whether you just cut a claw too far or it's a very small cut, you can tear this stuff off. So if you open it up, just tear a small piece off and put it over a cut, that'll work fine. So CollaClot's been used across many different sectors, and we're getting some really, really good results back from it. If you want to order this instructor pack, it's on our website, but we've got a special link for it. So if necessary, you can just contact us on supplies@protrainings.uk, and we'll send you information on how to access this kit at the latest special offer price.